In today's video, I'm going to show you how to tighten or install a through-glass handle. Through-glass handles are found on our Euro and Elite series. They are the same internally for all the different shapes and sizes we carry. It's a pretty quick fix and or install. Inside your new handles package, I've disassembled this one so that way you can kind of see it better. You'll have the outside half that has the set screws on the bottom. You'll want to put this side on the outside for sure, that way it protects the set screws from shower gunk over the years, just in case you ever have to tighten this handle back up. You can also see the protective washers and grommet that protects the glass edge and face from the metal components of the handle, and then it also comes with a fitting Allen wrench. Tools you'll need are a standard Phillips screwdriver, and then the handle is provided with an Allen wrench that'll tighten or loosen the set screws that you'll find underneath. Alright, so this handle here we can see that it is loose. To tighten it up, there are set screws that run through the bottom of one side. That tightens it through the studs, to the studs that go through the glass and connect to the other side. The studs screw into this side, and we can see that that side is also loose, so we'll have to tighten both the set screws and the stud that runs through the glass. Alright, so you're going to want to remove the set screws that are on the bottom side of this handle to expose the external studs that run through the glass. Set screws just loosen up pretty easy, as this one was already loose. Pull that apart, make sure that you hold onto the handle tightly so that it doesn't damage your glass or fall. That will reveal there should be a washer, plastic washer on either side to protect the metal components against the glass. You don't want metal and glass contact. There's also a washer inside the glass hole that prevents the stud from rubbing up against the glass and damaging it there. Alright, so the next step after we make sure those washers are in good shape would just be to tighten these studs with your Phillips screwdriver. I'm holding on to the glass with my foot so that way it doesn't move. Tighten these up firmly to make sure that you're careful not to crack the washer that's protecting the glass. Pro tip, so you don't have to do this twice, is to make sure that the handle is plumb with the edge of glass, so that way when you're done it doesn't look crooked. Get those tightened. Handle's tight now. Take the other half of the handle and install it back onto the studs you removed it from. And then that Allen wrench, just tighten that up taut on those studs on the bottom and then on the top. Should be good to go. If you have any further questions about replacing your handle depot, just email info@splendorshowerdoor.com, and thanks for watching.